Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today we are comparing two popular smartphone gimbals, the AOCHUAN XPRO and the hohem iSteady M7. Both of these gimbals offer unique features and capabilities, but they cater to different needs and budgets. In this video, we will dive deep into their specifications, performance, and value for money, helping you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Let's start with the price comparison. The AOCHUAN XPRO is priced at an affordable $115, making it a great option for those on a budget. In contrast, the hohem iSteady M7 comes with a significantly higher price tag of $299. While the iSteady M7 offers advanced features, the price difference is substantial. If you're looking for basic stabilization without breaking the bank, the AOCHUAN XPRO is the way to go. Next, let's discuss the features. The AOCHUAN XPRO includes essential features like RGB fill light, an OLED display, and basic face tracking. However, the hohem iSteady M7 stands out with its advanced AI tracking, detachable touchscreen remote, and built-in extension pole. These features make the iSteady M7 more suitable for professional vlogging and filmmaking. If you need advanced capabilities, the iSteady M7 is the better choice. Finally, let's look at the size and weight. The AOCHUAN XPRO is compact and lightweight at 375 grams, making it easy to carry around. On the other hand, the hohem iSteady M7 weighs significantly more at 1,370 grams, which might be cumbersome for some users. If portability is a priority for you, the AOCHUAN XPRO has the advantage here. In conclusion, both the AOCHUAN XPRO and the hohem iSteady M7 have their strengths and weaknesses. The AOCHUAN XPRO is a fantastic budget option with essential features, while the hohem iSteady M7 offers advanced capabilities for serious content creators. Consider your needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.